In a world where people believe the Earth is flat, observation and experimentation continues to support the validity of scientific theory. Today, we will clarify the basics of atoms and microscopic material in our environment. Let's start off with the atom. An atom is a fundamental piece of matter. All matter is made up of atoms. Here we will focus on three subatomic particles that make up atoms. These are the electron, proton, and the neutron. Every element is a combination of some number of these particles. The proton determines which element the atom belongs to. The weight of all of these combines to give the atomic mass of the element. The atomic number of the atom is determined by the number of protons. This is how elements appear on the periodic table. The atomic mass is shown here. The atomic number is shown here. An isotope occurs when an atom has a different number of neutrons. An ion occurs when an atom loses or gains an electron. Electrons have different arrangements outside of the atom's nucleus. Electrons are grouped into shells that indicate the general distance away from the nucleus. Each shell can hold a specific amount of electrons. The first shell can hold 2 electrons, and the second and third shells can hold 8. Electrons do not stay in place around atoms. In fact, they move around at a very rapid pace. Electron orbitals show us the general arrangement and area the electrons within the shell will take. Covalent bonds occur when atoms share electrons on their outer shell in order to fill their valence shells. Covalent bonds can be polar or nonpolar. Non-covalent bonds occur when electrons are not shared. A hydrogen bond is a non-covalent bond between 2 molecules resulting from an electrostatic attraction between a proton in one molecule and an electronegative atom in the other. An ionic bond is a non-covalent bond between a positively charged ion called a cation and a negatively charged ion called an anion. A van der Waals interaction is a weak non-covalent attraction due to small transient asymmetric electron distributions around atoms.